Okay, here's some real nice questions where they are asking, I forgot what they're asking. Oh, given the function value and the quadrant restrictions, find the angle. Okay, so function value, angle restrictions, find the angle. So, let's just do maybe this first one. It says the sine of an angle is negative 0.9956. If I have the sine of a negative angle, if the sine's negative, according to sort of our quadrant, where angles start here and proceed around the quadrant, if I have the function value of an angle, if it's negative, then it has to be in one of these two quadrants. We did that in the videos, the cast rule, where cos is positive, all sine are positive, tan's positive. So it's down in these two quadrants here where sine would be negative. So it has to be there or there. They actually tell you it has to be between 270 and 360. So now what I need to do is find out what the interval or what the angle actually is. So let's just pull up the calculator, and sine of negative 0.9956. Putting a negative in front of there doesn't really affect the value. Let me just show you. Second sine of negative 0.9956 equals, I got a funny looking angle. It looks like my calculator is in degree mode or radian mode. Let me change it to degree. Okay, good. Okay, get out of there. Let's do the same thing again. So arc sine of negative 0.9956 equals negative 84 degrees. Okay, that's one. But if I do it this way, second sine of, instead of negative, 0.9956 equals, same angle, 84 degrees, 84 degrees. So we'll call it 84.6. So the angle that I get from this, theta, is 84.6, but that's known as a reference angle. And that angle can occur 84.6 degrees from this x-axis, so up here somewhere, 84.6 from this axis, 84 from that one, and 84 from that one. So this angle, this angle, this angle, and this one are all 84.6. And each one of those angles would give me this function value, 0.9956. Now, all we have to do is identify what those angles are. So this one is 84.6, but then if I go to the next angle, this one, right there, that is, I guess to figure that out, I'd have to go 180 minus 84.6. So that would be, what's that? I don't know, 95.6 or something like that degrees. But that's not the angle I want. I want the one in between 270 and 360. That is this one over here, right? So this is really the angle I'm looking for. So this angle here, to name that angle, you have to go 360 minus 84.6. So if you go 360 minus 84.6, gee, I have to do this a long way. 5, 10, 9, 1. So it's 4, 5, and 35 minus 8, about 27. So it's 275.4. That would be that angle right there. So this is the reference angle, but the actual angle that corresponds with that interval is 275.4 degrees. Let's try maybe this cosecant one. There was another reciprocal, but let's do that one. So they say the cosecant of an angle is 1.0480, and they want us to find the angle. Oh, and it says between 0 and 90. Okay, so this is the angle I need to find. First off, I can't do this on my calculator, so I have to change this to the reciprocal ratio or of this one, which is sine theta. If I find the reciprocal of this, I also have to find the reciprocal of that, which is 1 over 1.0480. On your calculator, you can just do that one. I think that's a button on the calculator. Whoops. So you've got, let me clear, 1.0, oh, where is it? I think it's that one right there. Oh no, 1.0480. I think if you hit that button, it flips it over. Yeah, like there. So that's a 0.9541. Or you can go 1 divided by 1.0480 equals same number. Okay, so I've got over here sine theta is equal to, whoops, 0.9542. 0.9542. Okay, so now let's go on the calculator and do our arc sine of that. So arc sine of the number I just used, that's the answer button right down there. So blue, that guy. The arc sine of my answer is 72.6. So the angle then is 72.6 degrees. And for this particular one, they want it in between 0 and 90. So if I were to draw a picture, the 72.6 would be about right there. And since it's between 0 and 90, that's my answer. If it was over here or there, I'd have to do some kind of subtracting from 180 or subtracting from 360. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.